that what is happening in a refrigeration circuit is that your air conditioner is not actually just blowing cold air, but instead what it's doing is absorbing heat into the refrigerant and then sending that hot refrigerant outside to the condenser to remove the heat from your home through the liquid refrigerant that is inside your air conditioning system. And the point in me bringing all of this up is that if you do not have enough airflow, what happens is your refrigerant cannot absorb enough heat and therefore causes condensation coming off of the coil inside your living space to ice over your system because water freezes.